In today's video, I'm going to teach you to be able to save and open Figma files, how to export in Figma, local save in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to export your work from the Figma website so you can save a local copy on your computer and open it later in tools like Figma or share it with teammates. First, open the Figma website in your browser. Give it a second to load so the editor and your workspace are fully ready. Once you're in, open your project. Choose the file you want to export so you're looking directly at the content you plan to save out. Now look to the right side of the screen. You'll see the Properties panel, and within that area, there's an Export option. Go ahead and click Export. This is where you decide exactly what kind of file you want to create. You'll typically see popular formats such as PNG, JPG, SVG, and sometimes PDF, depending on the context of what you're exporting. Pick the format that best matches your goal. If you need clean UI images with a transparent background, PNG is a solid choice. If you're exporting photos or need smaller file sizes, JPG is great. For logos, icons, and assets that need to stay crisp at any size, choose SVG. If you want a document-style file that's easy to hand off, PDF can be a good option. After choosing the format, you may notice additional options like scale, quality, or background settings. These help you fine-tune the result. For example, increasing the scale can produce sharper assets for high-density screens, while keeping transparency turned on in PNG preserves see-through areas in your design. Make the selections that best fit how you plan to use the exported file. When you're happy with your choices, click Export. Your browser will download the file to your default downloads location, which means you now have a local copy saved on your computer. From there, you can store it in a project folder, share it with collaborators, or open it in another design tool. If you're moving assets into Figma, these exported files can be brought in as images or vectors, depending on the format you selected. If you don't immediately see the export control, scan the right-hand panel to locate the export section, as it's part of the properties area for your project. Once you find it, the process is exactly the same. Click Export, choose your format, and confirm. That's it. Open the Figma website, open your project, click Export on the right, select the format you want, and to click Export. You've saved a local copy and you're ready to use it anywhere you need.